Philip played Baselala from Kandavu, Nakaseleka, and I'm 18 years old. Attended Suva Grammar. Started off at a young age. I was 8 years old. Played up for the under 12 for gospel, and started since then. Yeah. Uh, since 2015. So since when Drua started, so I always dreamed of playing one day playing in that team, and I didn't realize that I get to have the chance to attend the team and to play with the boys. Yeah. Just the love of rugby, because I love playing. And when my mom stopped me, it's because of some other issues, like my results in school went down, and my past injuries. So when they stopped me, I did not listen, because I love playing rugby and I love to play a lot at home. So just kept on playing. Thinking of taking a year break. Just give this 1 year to draw, do my best to see what are some other plans, some that I'll make on my life. Sometimes I step school. No, it was like 15 minutes before the siren goes. So I try to get out of the class, just ran home, just get changed up, and just run from Namboa to Gospel, and went for training. I didn't tell them about it until they found out. So lucky to have the full contract, and it's like a dream come true too. So willing to give my best, for coaches and for the player, for the team. So I don't count myself as a liability in the team. Just play and have fun. Just contribute to the team. Just be humble. They've been helping me a lot in training, giving me some tips, some some plays, some plays in the field which I can do that helps me a lot in my career. Good competition, because they're more experienced than me, and they've been helping me a lot to the halfback position as well. Do the little things right. Just be honest with yourself, and just put God first in everything you do, and believe in yourself, and you can do it. There'll be a lot of feelings, but I'm proud to wear it. Showcase the talent that God gave us. Yeah. Come down to Nandi and just enjoy the game. Just be happy.